Hello, we're Cosatto, and we can't wait to show you our fantastic Cabi pushchair. It's a 3-in-1 combi system and all you need to get baby from A to B. So what does Cabi actually do? It has a perfect pram with a soft washable liner to keep new arrivals snug. Then, when they're ready to sit up, the pushchair lets you face the little one towards you or out to face the big wide world. The Cabi can be used with its own car seat too, so you can get from the car to the pushchair without disturbing Junior. See how easy it is to swap modes? Just click them on and off the chassis at the push of a button, see? Easy peasy. It's simple to fold too. There you go. And flips open in one movement. Ta-da! The swivel front wheels make it easy to steer, and are removable for easy cleaning. Just wait till you hear what's included. A cosy toes with kangaroo pouch to keep their little hands warm, chest pads, a changing bag, a large shopping basket and a rain cover too. And remember, the Cabi is covered by a free 4-year guarantee, so that's one less thing to worry about.